Open an image in Affinity Photo and then go to Filters and down to Colours and Procedural Texture. With that, go to the presets and I'm going to go down to Waves. And you can see this obviously nice white and black wave. Just going to go up here and I'm going to deselect the red and green and blue so they're all deselected now. You've got this equation. You can change that if you want as well. But you can also click the alpha. Not saying what that one is at the side. It's weird, there's an option there I just noticed suddenly. However, so you got that. Now what you can do, click up. Also what you can do, you can go to the Liquify. So you can just go up here to Liquify, top left, click there. And now, please check out my other videos about the mesh, brushes, etc. And you can just use any of these tools. I'm just using the push forward. And you can modify this design. You can drag that across. Now there is also view and down to studio and channels. However, channels don't particularly work in a way that you think maybe they should. But you can select it, of course, try it out. Just go through it and you can see the effect there. However, personally, I think the effect, what I want is this. It's much more manageable. So I'm just doing that. I'm just modifying this and you can see as I distort that. What I can now do, click apply. So I've distorted that design and now you can see the result of that. Well, what you can also do in the layers, you can go over here to effects. So click there. And with that, you can go here and say 3D. Just put 3D, set that on, create a nice sort of 3D effect there. And also outer shadow. Just click there and again set the offset, intensity, etc. So you can get a nice shadow effect. Click close. And what you can also do is you can go up here to the layers and click here. Just make sure it's not locked. Otherwise you won't be able to move anything. Then just go to the move tool and then you can just hold down the Alt Option key and just duplicate it. And also just resize, scale, move it off the screen of course as well. You can also rotate and also shear it as well and do much more. And again, once you've done that, hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate that design as well and so on. So you can create a variety of different designs, simply nicely warping all these designs in and out. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.